Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Realme phone guys mobile hotspot full setting. How to set up mobile hotspot on Realme mobile. In this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Realme mobile. Friends, click on Realme mobile connection and sharing option setting, and friends you can see aeroplane mode setting. Friends, you want to use aeroplane mode, so you can on your aeroplane mode from here, and you can use aeroplane mode on your Realme phone device. Friends, after 4 and 5 seconds aeroplane mode will on, and you can check on your status bar aeroplane mode icon. So I will off it. After off friends, click on personal hotspot setting, and friends you want to on your personal hotspot. Friends, you can see use a personal hotspot to share Wi-Fi or mobile network. Friends, you want to on, so you can on. After on guys, click on QR code and you can share your mobile hotspot from here. So guys, I will off it. I don't want to share now mobile hotspot. Friends, we'll click on personal hotspot setting. First of all friends, you can check your Realme phone device name. Friends, you want to change your device name, so you can change. So I will change to guys Realme mobile hotspot. And friends, you can check password here. You want to cut this password, you can cut, and friends you can set new password. So friends, I will set here 453211234 5 and right click. Friends, password will change on our Realme phone device. Friends, connection management setting you want to use. Friends, first of all you will find your block list. Friends, you have blocked any device, so you can unblock from here. As you can see maximum allowed connection. Hence you want to change, you want to set your maximum allowed connection, you can set and you can change from here. As data limit you want to change 10 MB, 50 MB, 100 MB, 200 MB, 1 GB, 500 MB, 5 GB, 10 GB, you can set from here guys. So like that friends, you can set up your mobile hotspot on your Realme mobile. And friends, you can see turn off hotspot automatically. Personal hotspot. Friends, you can see when no device is connected for 10 minutes, so with automatic your hotspot will off if you on this setting on your Realme phone device. So like that friends, you can set up your personal hotspot, you can set up guys your connection management setting, and friends you can set up your personal hotspot setting from here. Device name, password you can check and you can use it. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.